What's going on YouTube? Real quick, what is the best online program to teach you how to do affiliate marketing for free and that works? So what's the best program to teach you affiliate marketing, having money online, that's free, that works, it's not out of date, and that works? Well, I have one. I have one that's free. All you need is an email address and your name. It would teach you affiliate marketing. It would teach you how to become a super affiliate within 100 days. And a super affiliate makes $4 grand a month. So you'd be a super affiliate. And I've also gone through this program as well. I like how it's laid out. I like the whole back office. I love the email sequence, and it changes your mindset. What if you had a job where your job was to sell this one product? You have 8 hours to sell one product. How would you do it? And the program will show you different ways, which makes sense because your job is to sell one product. So it will show you different ways to sell the product online. So I like that that type of mindset change, because we all work a job. We all work 8, 9, and 10 hours a day, 4 or 5 days a week. And we never think about, hell, if I put that same energy into an online business, why I make more or less money? So this program is called Affiliate Bootcamp by ClickFunnels. And it teaches you to change your mindset and also show you ways to get customers onto ClickFunnels, which is it's a software that builds landing pages and funnels. But also, that free program, you use it to promote Amazon, ClickBank, promote anything that you want to promote online. Use the same program to do that also. So the same principles apply to everything. So if you want to get access to Affiliate Bootcamp, my links below is my affiliate link, and I appreciate if you use my link. It's no cost to you. It don't cost you no money. Just use my link, sign up, go through the training, and it's totally free. It's not cost you no money. It's free, and it changes your mindset and will show you different ways how to make money online, how to get customers from different places like Facebook, YouTube, all other stuff like that. So it will teach you all that stuff. And I've been through the course. I like the course. It's a nice course. It's a real nice course. It's a nice, steady course. And they'll have someone you could chat with if you have any questions or comments or concerns. So the link's below the video, and I'll appreciate it. And I want to say thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like the video, or just like the video. And see you next time.